So I'm gonna make a video on skateboarding with no trucks or wheels. We're gonna be trying to skate my deck. So hopefully we can do some of the tricks that I kind of know how to do. Do some dropping. Hopefully we can just ride, you know. Do an ollie, probably shove it, and then we'll end the video there. So doing tricks on a deck. All right. So first we're gonna do a drop in. Gotta get ready. But now we're probably gonna do just riding, honestly. So hopefully this works. Okay, so it may seem darker, so fuck you. Oh fuck, bro. God damn it. I'm gonna try an ollie now. Fuck.
2 hours later.
There we go.
Eventually.
There we go. Okay, so it is like literally 8 o'clock. And we just did our first shove it. So, woo! Woo! We did a shove it with no wheels. No bearings, no nothing. Just the deck. In less than 5 minutes. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Skating with no trucks, no wheels, no nothing. Thank you, Light. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to drop a like. Be sure, you know, God, I'm so tired. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.